How to set daily time limit on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down until you see the option of digital well-being and parental controls. As you select on that, you'll be able to see all your digital profile. So if you want to limit the Instagram app, what you simply need to do is tap on the app limits option. As you tap on app limits, you can select on Instagram over here by scrolling down. So let's search Instagram over here and tap on Instagram. Now if you want to set the daily time limit, what you can simply do is tap on the app timer. So you can select from 30 minutes, you can select from 5 minutes to, you can select up to whichever time limit that you want. So I'm going to select on 55 minutes and then tap on OK. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.